Okay, so we're doing a tour at the Red Stripe factory in Kingston, Jamaica today, and now we're walking to the souvenir department. So we're going to the souvenir shop, and then after that we're gonna start the tour. So this is the souvenir shop.
Yeah, you should get it for that.
Look at how cute this is. Red Stripe. And I like this bikini.
You're doing it.
Bear holders.
So why wait to feel comfortable? Trust
So cute. Yeah, brewed in Jamaica. This is the one I like.
I like the top. I don't like the bottom.
The bikini?
What are those ones?
Let's take things up a notch.
That bikini, right?
Yeah. How much for those bikinis?
That's the one you like, Yolanda?
Yeah.
Look here.
Yeah.
3,000. No, you don't have to say I was looking at
What's this one?
tasty flavor combination, and we're just getting
I like the top, but I don't like the bottom.
I like it. So this is the Red Stripe plant. But yeah, this is what we're doing today. Look at them too. On the tour. So yeah, so now left the souvenir shop, and now we're heading to go on the tour of the factory. I'll probably try to get a few clippings of that, and then after that we're gonna go ahead and drink beer, which I'm anticipating the most. So yeah, it should be interesting. Oh, this is cute. Ah. Huh? I like this. It was actually a video though. What? So yeah, safety gears. This thing's huge though. Oh yeah, we're one of them adults, yeah.
What size?
8. I'm 8. Yeah.
Size 7.
Me.
27? So this one is for you.
Will these be okay?
Yeah. Gotta put my shoe on. Shoes look huge. Yo, the shoes and him kick me, kill me. I have to do is just draw it tight. Ooh. Heavy duty shoes. Oh my god. My foot is not this big in real life. Cabell, how's your shoe?
Huge. Hey, sexy body shoe.
Oh my god. So yeah, ready for the tour in our big boots. Yeah.
Oh, she said she's still on. Yes, you're good.
Hey.
The only thing that's missing is a hard hat.
I know, right? I'm burning up. Like I'm hot. The place is extremely hot today, and it's all dark skies. But yeah, my foot is swimming in this boots, like swimming.
Oh, I'm sure.
Mishka, what are you? Video?
I'm vlogging. What are you talking about?
Behind you.
Huh?
Here we are, full circle now.
Behind me?
That video.
Yeah. So this is what they need for their feet.
Oh, I feel that.
Like for your feet. How does it feel?
Comfortable. Very.
So after we do a training that dancing.
Yeah, because you don't have to come back with it. She needs it too?
Yeah, you don't have to worry about it. Here, take it off and just keep it in the hand.
Okay.
And you're going to sit now. Okay.
Come on, let's box.
He's fun. I love that.
One is about to fall off.
You know, I have a bottle, a red stripe bottle from when the company was called Brewing. Wow.
So now we're about to watch a video.
Okay, ask them how,
Hi.
hello, how valuable it would be. You don't sit on a gold mine.
Sell it to them.
Outreach, health, you name it, Red Stripe has been a part of those moments. So the lady at the back there, she's one of our first female board member.
This one?
Yes. Yes, that's right there.
What's her name?
She's Linda.
Okay, so these are bottles since they started. And this one I like a lot.
The one in the middle, eh?
Yeah, I like that one.
Seems I'm not going anywhere.
I like this.
All right.
The award room.
He went to a regional position in the Asia. And if you're big in cricket, you will know when Red Stripe played an instrumental part in pushing the cricket agenda.
Yeah.
Like in the early 60s and 70s.
Okay.
So this is certainly something that we treasure
that?
as this is an international award that says our quality is of the highest standard, and we continue to. Yes. So I'm going to take you to Mr. Reynolds, and Mr. Reynolds will take you to the plant, and there you will have the first-hand experience from bottle to from brew to bottle,
Belly.
and from bottle to belly. So you will have that experience. So thank you for coming, and I'm sure you will have I know you will have a wonderful time, especially who wanted to drink. It's all good in the taste, and I'll sing for you later.
Let me just explain from here. One of our main ingredients that we actually use in our beer is actually malt, right? So that's one of the main ingredients. Malt, we do not grow malt out here in Jamaica, but malt is grown in places such as Sweden with more cooler, more temperate climate conditions, and so forth. So we normally store the malt in containers from overseas, and then we ship it here containers and we keep it into a malt pit station. We can store the malt inside those small buildings, structures that we call silos, made of concrete structure. Store it inside there, and then the brewers operator would have taken the malt and had it to the processing for conversion. Malt, of course, because of the processing that it has to go through overseas, it's very expensive. So we have come up with raw material and another source of extract to get to help reduce our costs in our beer processing. And that's where we start adding local materials such as cassava, which is one of the ingredients we're now applying along with the malt inside of the brews, right? So we're going to take, yes, right. Alright, so the mills that we're talking about are, these are the mills. We have two mills. We have a mill to crush the malt, right? And we also have a mill to crush the barley. Now, the reason we have to have two mills because the barley is what is actually grown out there inside the field. When it goes through the process of kilning where heat is added, it becomes crisp, and therefore it is better able or easier to crack to release the starch on the inside. So we would have to have a mill separately for the malt. The barley, which there's no heating process, would have added to it, would have been much more harder in the shell. So because of that, now we have to have a separate mill to crush the barley, right? So that's why we have two mills, one to crush the barley and one to crush the malt, all right? The maintenance team just cleaning it up, ensuring that everything is good and ready for the next operation. Right? Next. So while you're coming up a while ago, you have to install this all the way from the ground up. I don't have any break to see. You see this condition. Yes, it goes all the way down. And what that vessel does, it stores the spent grain. That is the unwanted shell after we have separated it from the liquid. It would have still been rich in nutrients. It stores it and then...
Now this is pretty. This is what I like most about the tour.
Far back, as you can see there. It goes all the way back there. Over this side is where our fermenters are. Where we store one of these vessels can store up to about 3,200 hectoliters of beer.
That's where you have the wharf. Right there.
They want about 3,200 hectoliters of beer. So if you were to 2 weeks worth. One bottle of beer is about 55 minutes.
And then let's see over here.
So, like we have discussed before, malt is prepared by containers, and then we take in those and we store them inside our silos. Right? From the silos, we throw them. So these are some of the syrup barley, and the black malt, we use the black malt in our chocolate stout and our malt. Right? So, from the maturation vessel, we'll filter out the beer again so that it becomes very clear and very refined. Here, we will also add back some CO2 to the beer. We will add back some bitterness, because we'll have lost some bitterness along the process of fermentation and so forth. So we'll add back that.
Oh my God. AC. Thank you, Jesus. Oh my God, I was burning up so bad. Oh, AC is good. I'm stuck. This is my place to stay. Girl, I was lying out there.
And look how we waste there. Look how I've never wasted on a bucket of beer.
Actually, you know, this board is standing, it's a very old board, it's on its way out. It's a very old system and it's coming from way back then. So most of these things here, it's semi-auto. Semi-auto as a company, you know, as a company now.
Yeah. Use it like we are on it, you can go back again.
Oh, these shoes are killing me.
This is that we store all of the beer in, right? So for we have restaurant in the restaurant light.
Yeah, isn't this where you should be able to just like turn on the tap?
The plant that we have over there running.
Yeah.
One of the byproducts of fermentation is actually CO2. So what we actually do is to collect the CO2 from the fermentation and use it back in the beer.
Ah,
yeah.
Cool.
Full of beer.
Meaning we ferment and we also mature. So while it ferments in the vessels for the 7 to 8 days, it can also use to mature the beer. Right? So it's a double purpose. These are double purpose vessels.
Were these built here or they were brought here?
They were brought here.
At that side?
At this side. And then inside. So you have to use a lot of strength. So this is our yeast. This yeast is actually good yeast. Okay. Of course, you have to keep it there. As soon as you grow it from conical flask, transfer to a rehydrator. We grow to about 80 million cells. So when we grow to 80 million cells, we add it to a larger set of work, transfer it to a bigger vessel, grow it to another 80, 100 mil. Then we transfer it to a bigger vessel. And then we grow the cells again to another 80 million cells. And then we grow it to a bigger vessel, which is one of these. Transfer it to the medium size of one of these vessels on the outside. Then it will be ready to go commercial. As soon as the yeast is propagated, this is different. This is beer yeast. Yeah. So it's beer yeast. Its purpose of this yeast is just for beer. Yeah. And that's it. The reason for it. Right? I'll have to transfer this.
it's time to go and drink some beer. I want some beer. I want some red stripe and
Follow the leader.
So now after the tour, it's beer time. Heaven in a bottle.